Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast. I'm in a public square in Cozumel, Mexico. Lots of birds on this side and an interesting art project. This is the Waste to Art tourism initiative, reducing single-use plastics, creating art, taking them out of the ocean. Sign here explaining that, some of the reefs and the damage of plastics. But let's see the exhibition going through. You can walk through this. Lots of hooks on this side and the plastics making this enclosure. See some of the underwater fish, coral reefs, and much more. Pretty cool. Just walk through this area. It's all around at the top and also at the bottom, creating a reef-like structure. You can see some palm trees. Lots of merchants on the outside, ice cream, hats, bags, souvenirs, and so much more. Christmas decorations in the public square as well. See a big red tree with a silver star straight ahead. Various photo opportunities. See a reindeer with a space for a head. You can put your head in, someone else takes a photo. Snowmen on the left and a Santa in the center. See a statue on this side with an archway behind it and what looks to be a stage. Pueblos Mágicos and Cozumel. Here's a large clock tower, yellow and orange. Coming back around, you can see a statue outside of the art enclosure and hear a lot of bird calls in the background. Saw a lot of what seem to be crows, maybe blackbirds, and some hummingbirds if we can get lucky and see those. Come a little bit closer, see if we could see the hummingbirds. I saw them flying around a bit earlier. You can see the flowers in the center, lots of pink colors, but no hummingbirds, unfortunately, at the moment. Zooming in, you can see a little bit closer some of the flowers in this section. It's a nice day, about 80-85 degrees in mid-December 2025. They're ready for Christmas and New Year's in Cozumel. We're on the back of the sign. You can see a Norwegian cruise line ship in the back with a waterfront area. I'm here with Margaritaville at sea, but just in a different section in the downtown area. See in the middle, maybe what was a fountain, but now more of a compass and lights. Lots to see here in Cozumel, Mexico. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.